Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon Soul. To begin, you'll need to gather 10 Dragon Soul fragments, which are often dropped by powerful foes or awarded for completing challenging quests. Once you have them, head to the Altar of Ancients, usually found in your main city. There, you'll channel your energy for about 5 seconds to awaken this incredible power. This initial activation is key to unlocking its potential. Once your Dragon Soul is active, you'll immediately feel its immense power. You'll gain a significant 25% boost to your attack power, making you a formidable force. Additionally, you'll receive a 15% reduction in all incoming damage, enhancing your survivability. This state also unlocks a powerful Dragon's Breath ability, perfect for clearing groups of enemies. Remember, this incredible boost lasts for 30 seconds. Knowing when to unleash your Dragon Soul is crucial for success. It's best used during intense boss battles to maximize your damage and shorten the fight. Alternatively, activate it when facing overwhelming numbers of tough enemies to quickly clear the area. Consider saving it for critical moments when your health is low, as the defensive boost can turn the tide. Strategic timing is key to mastering this powerful ability. To truly master your Dragon Soul, consistent practice is essential. Experiment with its activation, timing in different combat situations to find what works best for you. Try various ability rotations to make the most of its 30-second window. Also, keep an eye out for specialized gear that can further enhance its duration or overall power. Understanding enemy attack patterns will help you maximize its defensive benefits.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.